As a game music composer, one thing is vital: providing looped music to be implemented into a game. Best thing is to already provide an adaptive soundtrack, but even if you are not into that, functioning loops are of the essence. As we all know, this is not quite easy. Let's check it out how to do that. All modern DAWs do have a loop function. You set loop markers, and when reaching the right one, the playhead jumps back to the left marker and continues playback. However, when rendering such a section to disk, we encounter a big problem. Any sounds from your virtual instruments are cut off at the end and do not bleed into the beginning of the loop. What a mess! Whilst the first run-through sounds super nice, we experience a harsh start of the second turn. Violin layers, synth pads, delay and reverb tails are all cut off and the loop starts dry again. There's one solution to this: route your virtual instruments to multiple stem tracks or just a single audio track and hit the record button. Be sure to activate the cycle before. Record in real time. The second run through will override the beginning and create a sub-track. Let it run, record a bit of the second run through. When done, crossfade the two tracks, the first and the second cycle, and you are done. You created a perfect loop. If only you did a nice crossfade, but this I'll show you in another video. If you happen to have recorded audio in your studio, cut it at the end of your loop and copy the material to the beginning. Then again, do a nice crossfade. Be sure that you stay on a MIDI grid and to deactivate any snap to zero crossing functions, as the loops will click when not cut exactly at the loop point, but the zero crossing instead. The real-time recording may sound a bit tedious to some, but there is another advantage. If you record nice stems, you already have saved your work and printed your valuable tracks, being safe in the WAV domain. Giving them to a mixing engineer or a friend to remix is no big deal then. As we all know, nobody can handle MIDI notes because your sound libraries and your virtual instruments only run on your system. So, you can hit two flies with one clap, preparing proper stem mixes and creating perfect loops. Happy producing! See you next time! Be sure to hit the subscribe button and tune in again.